Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your GMC Terrain. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. If you need to lift the vehicle, use sturdy jack stands for support. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself throughout the process. Gathering all your tools beforehand will make the job much smoother. Now, let's get that old oil out. First, locate the oil drain plug, typically found on the lowest part of the oil pan beneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly under the plug to catch the used oil. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Allow the old oil to drain completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Ensure all the old, dirty oil has flowed out before proceeding. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it firmly but without excessive force to prevent stripping. Now for the fresh oil. Refer to your GMC Terrain's owner's manual to confirm the exact type and quantity of engine oil required. Typically, it's around 5 to 6 quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the oil. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a moment, and check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.